Blackpink's Lisa has stolen the show once again with the release of her latest collaboration song, Born Again, with Doja Cat and Ray. The song was released with a music video featuring all three artists in classic Hollywood glamour. However, the main highlight was not just the song, but Lisa's visual change that sparked heated debate among fans and netizens. Previously, in June 2024, Lisa released Rockstar, the first single from her album, Alter Ego. The music video at the time immediately drew mixed reactions, mainly due to Lisa's visuals which were considered different from usual. Some accused her of blackfishing, a phenomenon in which a non-black person adopts features or aesthetics of black culture for personal gain. This accusation arose because in some teasers, Lisa's skin appeared darker than her natural color. Now, another controversy has erupted after the release of Born Again. This time, Lisa appeared with paler skin and a softer concept, very different from the hip-hop impression she carried on Rockstar. This drastic change led many people to accuse Lisa of deliberately utilizing the black skin aesthetic for certain projects, but returning to her original visuals when the concept changed. On the other hand, fans have come to Lisa's defense, asserting that lighting, video concept, and makeup could be the main factors influencing the difference in look. The debate continues to grow, with both camps questioning the line between cultural appreciation and exploitation of other races' aesthetics in the entertainment industry. Is this just a concept strategy or is there a deeper issue behind it? What do you think?